Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to watch new movies on Disney+. To watch new movies on Disney+, the first thing you'll need to do is to log into your Disney+ account. Open a web browser or simply open up your Disney Plus application on your preferred device. Make sure you type in disneyplus.com in the URL box and sign into your existing account. After you are signed in, from the main homepage, scroll down and explore the Recent Releases section to find the latest content. It will be shown as new to Disney Plus. You can simply go ahead and search through that category and you will be able to find recent releases and that has been added to the Disney Plus platform. Simply go ahead and press play and enjoy your chosen content. That is how you can easily watch new movies on Disney Plus. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.